In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a document in Pandadoc, tailor-made for beginners and designed to help you do it in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, we'll head on over to the Pandadoc website. Pandadoc is an excellent tool that allows you to create, approve, track, and e-sign documents far more efficiently. Once you get to the home page, the next step is simple. Find and click on the Login button to access your account. For those who don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up from the same page. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Pandadoc homepage, which is your control center for all documentation tasks. On your home screen, look for the Create a Document option. This is your go-to button for starting any new document. Click it and you will be given various templates to choose from. Whether you're drafting a contract, a business proposal, or just a simple letter, there's surely a template to suit your needs. Select the one that fits your purpose the best. Now that you have your template, it's time to customize your document. This step is crucial as it ensures your document reflects the exact information you need. You'll see various fields that you can edit. Input the necessary details and personalize the document with your branding if required. Once your document is personalized, let's add the necessary fields. These can include signatures, dates, initials, and more. In Pandadoc, adding fields is intuitive. Simply drag and drop the type of field you need onto your document. This feature ensures that all essential information is captured correctly and efficiently before sending the document. With your fields in place, the next task is to add recipients. Click on the Recipients tab and input the email addresses of the people you want to share the document with. It's smart to double-check these details before sending, just to avoid any mishaps. You can also assign roles to each recipient for clarification on who needs to sign or simply receive the document. Finally, it's time to send your document. Double-check everything one last time to ensure all details are correct. When you're confident everything's in order, hit the Send button. A notification will inform your recipients that a document is waiting for their attention. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent a document using Pandadoc. Remember, the key to efficiency is understanding each step of the process. Once you've gone through it a couple of times, you'll find it becomes second nature. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial, and happy documenting with Pandadoc.